This is the craziest thing in the fishing world right now. No doubt about it. So, taking it out here on the river, seeing what it can do. Is this the new river bait? We shall find out. Oh my gosh. Dude. I did not expect that. This might be the new river bait. That's a big one too. Decent fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mouthful of Connie. What is going on, Mullet fam? We back at it again, guys. Out here in the Yak on the beautiful river today. Trying to get us some good shoal bass. Had a little bit of time on my hands, so I was like, let's come down here and get on some shoal bass. Guys, it is hot as crap out here. I'm sweating bullets already. It looks like overcast weather. It looks like a thunderstorm's coming in, which should add to a good bite today. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get on a good one. It's been a minute since your boys got a good one, so let's get it. Oh, and if you're not already, like, subscribe, and make sure to turn that bell for notification on, because if you don't, guys, you'll miss when I post another video. Peace. All right, guys, let's see if we can get one on the fish code, Connie. We're working it like a jerk bait. Ooh, perfect. Check my drag. Loose. I like throwing a little bait caster better. I feel like it's a little better for using for a jerk bait. Yeah. I feel like it is too, man. A little bit. Just gonna get them to react, dude. It's just enough where it's deep enough, guys. And I think just because of how deep it is in some of these pockets, it's really gonna help the bite today. Let's see if we can get a one on the Oconee, boys. Today's main objective, let's get them on the Oconee. This is the craziest thing in the fishing world right now. No doubt about it. So, taking it out here on the river, seeing what it can do. Is this the new river bait? We shall find out. Oh my gosh. Dude. I did not expect that. This might be the new river bait. That's a big one too. Decent fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mouthful of Connie. And the good thing about this thing, bro, like, that's about a 2-pounder. Some change. Right in the lip, baby. Like that top lip. We gotta. Here, come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. Come on, give me. Yeah, baby, let's go. That's a pigger. That's a piggy. That's a piggy. Freaking giant on the Oconee. Good little 2-pounder and some change. I love to see it, dude. Fishing it like a jerk bait. Oh my gosh. I'm just excited, dude, because I'm catching them on something new. Freaking choked it on the fish code, Connie. Oh my god, dude, he ate it too. He ate it, bro. Like, got him in the top, bottom of the lip, but he's pinned too. He's not coming on loose, dude. That hook is pinned. And then a good thing, dang. I mean, see how hard it was to get that thing out. This is the second fish. Definitely super durable fish right there. Heck yeah, dude. Let's get her back in. That was dope. Let's go, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Thank you, girl. Appreciate you. That was sick. God dog. He ate it, dude. He ate the Oconee. I'm telling you, bro. Might be the hottest thing in the fishing world right now. It is the hottest thing in the fishing world now, bro. It'll be the hottest thing in the river world right now. Because these fish, These fish are like, bro, I ain't never seen that in my life. And they're eating it. And when I say they're eating it, bro, they're not just, they're smacking the dog. So let me show you what I'm throwing it on. I'm throwing it on a Abe Garcia 7-foot medium fast. And a lot of times I'm throwing it out there, guys, and I'm letting it sit. And normally by then, dude, already one's on it. Like, it's just instantaneously, like, it is incredible. Let's see how many fish we can get on it before this thing destroys it. I mean, shoal bass are known to be super aggressive, but I'll take that all day, dude. That was a good one. Probably a 2-pounder. Not even gonna weigh it, but we're looking for Big Betty. It's dope. It's freaking dope. That was freaking dope, dude. I ain't gonna lie, that was, I can't, oh my gosh. That was dope. Like, this is like the perfect presentation of, and it's holding too, bro. Like, this scuff is super durable. That's the thing about it. You can get it out here in these river places and catch bigs. Little pockets like this. Just find your little pockets, cast up there, watch the magic happen. Watch this. Yeah. Every time I back up, and dude, I almost had one snatch it from me, like earlier. Dude, my drink almost went in the water. I was just like, bro, what the freak? Like, when they hit it, dude, it's like aggressive. You better be ready, because these fish are not playing around when they hit this thing. They're trying to kill it. I don't know what it is. So, cast it up there. That's dope, dude. That's so dope. That's exactly what I wanted to happen today, dude. Just to get one on the Oconee. I was like, bro, you can come out here, catch a couple pigs on the Oconee. I'd be happy. And not freaking so dope. That's so dope. We're catching a big today, dude. The Oconee is producing us a freaking stud, dude. It's overcast conditions, guys. The absolute perfect weather for a freaking giant, dude. You can't beat that. Perfect conditions. Got him. Got him. Freaking nailed the Oconee. Holy. Tiny guy. Dude, I seen my line move. I was like, yep, got him. Whew. So aggressive, dude. I mean, when they eat it, dude, they eat it. Like that right there, dude, is what I'm talking about. Top of the lip. This guy is so mad at me right now because he's like, bro, this looked like a good spider looking thing I wanted to eat. And that's the third fish, bro. And like 5 minutes, like a 5-minute span, dude. Beautiful colors on him. It looks fat and healthy, dude. I love to see it. Heck yeah. Let's catch him, bro. Let's get him, dog. Oh my gosh, they are eating this thing, dude. Like, when I say eating it, like, I can't, like, it's crazy how good they're eating this thing, dude. We got some thunder clouds rolling in. It looks a little sketchy, I ain't gonna lie, bro. We got some dark clouds in the horizon. But you know what? We sending it today. Big baits, big fish, only. I say that, we call it like a dinker, but hey, I don't care. It's a good day to be alive, dude. The hookup ratio was solid. They keep getting in the bottom of their lip, but it's still enough to pin them down. Like, I see my line jump, and as soon as my line jumps, dude, they're on it, like that. Like, this might be the hottest thing, for sure. Might be better than the Wacky. I don't know, the Wacky. Wacky's top tier, dude. Wacky's top tier, mullet fam. I don't know about y'all, but Wacky will always hold dearly. But this right here is another kind of fun. Because when they hit it, it's almost instantaneously, like, just... And like, they're on it, dude. So cool. So sketch out here too. Please, Lord, give me like an hour without me getting struck by lightning, please. Let me just catch one 4-pounder, and I will leave, dude. Ooh. Bro, they are eating this thing. It said it wasn't supposed to rain today. Yeah. Knowing my luck, maybe it won't. Oh, that's mine. I thought he picked it up. Oh yeah, he did pick it up. He did pick it up. Oh, he had it. He had it, though. He did have it. Got him still? Yeah, we do. What the heck, dude? Like, that joker is not coming. Golly, bro, they're like stupid aggressive. Top the lip, baby. He had no shot at coming undone. That's what I'm saying, dog. This freaking... Dude, I gotta find a better way to hold this rod. This freaking thing right here is gas, dude. I don't care what anybody says. Not only is it hot in the lake world, it's hot in the rivers. Like, extremely hot. I'm gonna say more hot in the rivers than it is the lake. We ain't even got to the good stuff yet. That's what I'm... It casts good too. That's the thing. I can launch this thing on this little medium heavy 7-foot Abu. Man, I can freaking launch it. Matter of fact, this like... Oh, there's one right there. That's a big one. Ooh. Dude, when they hit it, dude. Oh my gosh. Like, it is non-stop. Like, just... And this is the new color too. We just got in. Green pumpkin blue. Gosh, dang. Gas, bro. Freaking gas. Up. Popped off that time, but... Because I was playing with him too long. But still... Gosh, dang. I mean, that was a matter of 2 seconds. That was like 2 seconds, bro. I twitched it and instantaneously got bit. Like, I think the wacky takes like a matter of a couple seconds. This is like, dude, I let it sit there for no time. This joker just got smacked. Not just the little ones are hitting it too, guys. The big ones are hit. The little ones are hitting this thing and it's twice their size. I'm speechless because I'm like, bro's hitting it and it's twice his size. But hey, I'm not complaining, bro. We'll take the big and the small. Oh yeah. Just popping it. And the slack out. Pop it. So you go. All those little legs. Beacons are hiding, bro. Dude, what the heck? There's one. Oh yeah. Right off, dude. It just sat there for like 2 seconds. He already had it. That's crazy. God. Top of the lip, baby. Gosh, dang. Dude, we're not catching bigs, but we're catching numbers, boys. I'll take it. That's dope. That might be a big. Oh, he spit it, dude. Sun's coming out. That means the fish are about to turn on, dude. Holy shnikes. That's freaking dope, dude. I freaking got way late. That's a good one. Ooh. That was a good one. Yes, sir. I'm telling you, bro. Like, they don't play around. Ooh. Ooh. Boy. There we go. Let's see if he'll jump on the kayak. Oh, oh. Holy smokes. Dude. Top of the lip. Oh my gosh, bro. I mean, I don't know about you, bro. Guys, I don't know about y'all. But when they're biting it this good, I mean, dude is eating it. Like, that was like first cast, dude. I just had a little snack, made one little cast, and I mean, absolutely crushed it. Got a little, I'd say, 132 ounce head. Forgot what wacky head it is, but we sell them up here at the tackle barn. Freaking gas. I'll leave a link below. But shoot, man, this thing's a nice little fish. Making a cast, casting it out. Let it sit for like a second, and then I'm just ripping it like a jerk bait. Because when you do that, all those little legs like go to crazy, dude, and they're eating it. Gosh, dang. I mean, dude, it's like every other cast, dog. Like, I can't make this up. Oh my goodness, bro. I mean, the small ones are eating the big. Last time I came out here, I was throwing the smaller version. Gosh, dang. Oh yeah, bubbles. Oh. Easy there. There we go. That was a decent one. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, healthy fatty. Little fatty. Little chunker chunk. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Oh boy. They like the green pumpkin. That's a fatty. Bro, be fat. Ow. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about. Certified. I told you, green pumpkin, bro. Oh, yeah. Top of the lip, baby. Mmm. Holy, dude, he freaking ate it. Whew. Oh, fatty, dude. Oh my God. Absolute giant, break me off. Oh, that hurts.